Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time watching, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. So I'm getting back in the routine of posting weekly. I really want to try and strive for 2 to 3 videos a week. So make sure you turn on that notification button so you guys are up to date with all my latest postings. In my last video, one of you guys asked me for a hair care regimen video, and I'm freshly bleached, and with that being said, a lot goes into like my hair maintenance, washing my hair, keeping up with it, because obviously I'm very blonde. Naturally, my hair is really dark and lots of red pigment in my hair, and so it's a process to get it this light. So I really wanted to make this video just because I feel like, personally, back in the day when I knew nothing about hair or like what to do with my hair, I really would always watch videos on what people use for the hair, how to tame the frizz, how to keep it healthy and shiny. As I've gotten older, obviously, and working at Sephora, I have access and a discount to a lot of hair care products. That really helped me find what worked for me. So before I start sharing all these products with you guys, I just want to say a couple things. So first of all, obviously I bleached the fuck out of my hair. I'm not naturally anywhere near this platinum. Second of all, my hair is naturally wavy, so it's very thick and it's kind of like a loose wave, but because of that, when I bleach it, obviously, or when it's blonde, it tends to have lost the wave, and so it tends to be a frizzy mess, and that is why I straighten it. So if you watch this video, you're probably looking for products that are going to be A, hydrating, B, straightening products like heat protection and whatnot. And if that all sounds good to you, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to share with you guys the shampoo. So first of all, when you're platinum, like myself, you have to have a purple shampoo. Why? Because hair, when you're blonde, it tends to pick up like ingredients in like water, like different chemicals, blah, blah, blah. Like, I'm not even going to get into the science of it, but basically you just get buildup, and that buildup normally is yellow in color. So because it's yellow in color, your hair is automatically going to turn more brassy, more yellow, like that dirty look. It's almost like dingy. So if I don't use purple shampoo weekly, my hair will go back to like being a yellow. And obviously I don't want that. It looks gross. When you're this platinum, when your hair turns yellow, it just looks gross. Like, it looks dirty. So of course, my favorite shampoo, which I have done a whole review on this, is the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. Put this into my hair for about a minute, and then I rinse it out, and my hair already has more of a platinum like, or more of a ash tone to it. It's really quick and easy. Honestly, doesn't strip my hair of its natural oils. My hair doesn't feel super dry afterwards the way Shimmer Lights does. So if you're familiar with Shimmer Lights, that thing like dries out your hair like crazy. Like, yeah, it's good as far as pigmentation, but it dries out your hair. And obviously when you're platinum, you're obviously already bleached, your hair is already damaged. Like, you honestly don't need it dry out any further than it already is. So the Fanola No Yellow shampoo really helps with that. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram, all over YouTube. It's just a great shampoo. I highly recommend it. Moving on. The second shampoo that I really love to use, this is more of like, if my hair's already toned enough throughout the week, I just need to shampoo like build out, then I normally go in with the OUAI shampoo repair. It smells amazing. With this guy, it does tend to dry out my hair just slightly, but the thing with this is that it's just cleaning out your hair, so it's very much like a deep cleanse, but still like reparative. As long as you go in with a really deep conditioner, you should be fine. But this just like really cleans out my hair, makes sure all the build out is out. This one retails for about $26. It honestly smells amazing. So OUAI teams up with a perfumery in France, and so everything has like their own like signature fragrance, and it just smells amazing. Like, honestly, not only does it really help like my hair as far as like the repairing and like the smoothing and restoring my hair back to like its natural self, even though I'm bleached out, it has a great smell, and I'm really a big scent person, so this smells amazing. Moving on, when I use the repair shampoo, I typically go in with the repair conditioner from OUAI also. With this guy, you want to leave it in for 3 minutes after using the OUAI shampoo, and this one you literally put in your hair, you lather and rinse out real quick, and then this guy you leave it in for 3 minutes, and this will really restore the health back to your hair. So definitely use these in conjunction. I feel like these are really great. I definitely recommend these to people who come into Sephora looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, because I just think these are bomb, because it's not going to create any buildup. Your hair is still going to be nice, fluffy, or not like fluffy like bad, but fluffy like if the wind blows, your hair will move. It's not going to be stiff and like product buildup and how like it makes your hair heavy. This isn't going to cause that. So these are great for everyone. So when I'm toning my hair, I typically either go in with the No Yellow mask. This is amazing. This you could even use with the OUAI shampoo or any shampoo. For that matter, you don't necessarily have to use a purple shampoo and this guy. This guy you can honestly use by yourself. It's going to be amazing. This is just bomb. You can use it by itself. yourself. 5 minutes of this in your hair will honestly tone out any of the yellow or orange in your hair, and it'll just make it nice and platinum. I even like to mix this into like hair masks or any normal conditioner. So sometimes I use the OUAI conditioner and I just mix a pump of this into it if I need like a light toning without going like extreme toning. This retails for about 30 bucks. Balm.com, I have a link down below in the description. I just love this because I could literally use it as a mix-in into another conditioner. I can use it by itself. It's just great. And it's very hydrating, so it doesn't dry out my hair when I use this. And lastly, this is the restructuring mask. I love this. This guy I leave in my hair for 10 minutes. Sometimes I'm in the shower, I play some Ariana Grande music and I'm like singing at the top of my lungs while I have this thing in my hair. This is the Balm.com. It smells really good. It smells like milk, but like not like weird milk. Like I know that sounds weird, but it smells like really good. It smells like a yogurt. I don't know. It really hydrates my hair. When I dry my hair afterwards, it feels very soft. Love to use this at least once a week. Definitely don't use it every time I shower because sometimes it can weigh my hair down a little bit if I use it too much. So that is the stuff that I do in the shower. So after I get out of the shower, I towel dry my hair, first of all. Typically do like my skincare or something while I'm letting my hair kind of like slightly air dry. Once it's towel dried, I go in with like different products. So first things first, I get out of the shower and I put in my OUAI Smooth Spray, which by the way, just got renamed to leave-in conditioner. So if you go into Sephora and you're looking for the Smooth Spray, just know that they recently renamed it to a leave-in conditioner, which was so confusing because I was trying to sell this the other day to someone and I was like, why does this say leave-in conditioner? So same stuff. Apparently the leave-in conditioner, new version of this, is a little bit more potent in hydration, a little bit more potent in heat protection, I believe, which is amazing. But anyway, if this stuff was good, I imagine the leave-in conditioner is even better. But same stuff, this is just going to smooth out your hair. It's going to help you stop like getting any frizz throughout the day, and once your hair air dries, it'll be bomb. So I just spray like 3 sprays of this in my hair. So then I go in with my OUAI hair oil. This is honestly the bomb.com. Honestly, when I get out of the shower, if I put this all over my hair, I'm good, honestly. But obviously, like, I'm extra, so I like to go the extra mile. But this is honestly amazing. So I go in with about 3 to 4 pumps. If I put that in my hair, it's not gonna be greasy at all. My hair is literally just gonna soak everything in because it's so dry like the Sahara. So I go in with this guy. This is the guy that I literally have to buy like every 3 weeks because we run out. So me and Ken use this like a lot. Like I literally bought this like 3 weeks ago and look at it. It's already like at the bottom. Honestly, out of all the products that I'm mentioning, this is the one you need. After this, and this is probably bad and you probably shouldn't do this, but this is what I like to do. Because first of all, being bleached, sometimes when I bleach my hair, not this time, but the last couple of times, I have a lot of fallout. Like just facts. So because I have a lot of fallout, I have a lot of baby hairs. So the one thing that keeps my hair like flat is the OUAI Soft Mousse. So while my hair is wet and towel dried or whatever, I go in with a little bit of this guy. I take like a pump, well not like a pump because it's a mousse, but you know what I mean, like a little bit, take that, and then I take it onto my end. And then after I've applied that all over, I comb it out the way I want it to dry. So in my case right now, I have like this weird part going on because again, I have a lot of fallout. So I can't wear my hair pushed back because I have a bunch of little baby hairs. So right now I'm just dealing with this like helmet monk bowl cut looking thing. After I've done this, I take my beanie, I put the beanie on, and I go to sleep. So I let my hair air dry overnight. So I'll go to sleep, it air dries, I wake up the next morning, and that's when I go in with my next routine. So what I love about the soft mousse is that it doesn't make my hair crunchy. My hair is still soft the next day. Like I just have to brush it out and it's super soft and it's like retains its shape and it's super smooth and like there's no frizz. So after I go in with the soft mousse, I've gone to bed, I've air dried my hair, I have my beanie on, and I keep that beanie on until like morning. Unless it's like 6 a.m. and like my hair is dry, then I take it off. The next morning, I wake up, I have to go get ready for work or whatever I'm doing. So that's when I go in with the last product. And this product is so essential. This is again, another product that if you heat style your hair, you cannot live without. It is the OUAI Memory Mist. So the OUAI Memory Mist is a heat protector slash like style extender slash everything you need in a bottle. So this is a heat protectant and it protects your hair for up to 430 degrees or something like that. But what this does is it's called Memory Mist because it memorizes the shape of your hair until your next shampoo. So what you do with this is obviously your hair's already dry. It's the next morning. You're about to straighten your hair or blow dry, whatever it is you're gonna do. I don't know why you're blow drying though because your hair's already air dried, but you're about to straighten your hair in my case. So what I do, straightening my hair, I like to straighten my hair in little sections. So I have clips all over even though I have short hair. So I take a section, I spray the bottom part, I spray the top part, I comb it through, and then I go in with my straightener and straighten my hair. So all all the way through in different layers. Every layer gets its own spritz. As you're straightening, it's gonna feel slightly wet, but that's why you brush it through, and then you go in with your straightener, and your hair is literally gonna lay nice, flat, smooth, straight. That straighten is gonna last 4 to 5 days, and I say this because I haven't washed my hair in like 4 days. So this guy keeps my hair nice and straight for a whole, sometimes up to a week. Definitely recommend it. So I've gone over my whole hair care routine. That is every time I wash my hair, that is the routine I go through. I know it's kind of extensive when you're bleached and you spent a lot of money bleaching your hair because it's expensive. Even when you do it yourself, like myself, it's expensive. You want to take care of your hair. That's just facts. I'm high maintenance, whatever. With that being said, guys, that basically concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing my hair knowledge. I'm not a cosmetologist by any means, nor am I licensed in hair, but I know I've said I do my own hair. That is from like years of practice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you watch this video all the way to the very end, let me know what your hair care routine is down below. I'm really curious because sometimes there's products that I haven't heard of that you guys might know of that I might try out. If you want to see more videos from me and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are subscribed to me, make sure you turn on those notifications if you haven't done so already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at DGAFpanda. If you have any video ideas or things that you want to see from me, let me know down below in the comments. And until next time, guys, DGAFpanda out.